side, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful arrangement. We need 11 inches or 12 inches or even 10. We need 6 pairs. You inflate this to 8 inches. I'd like to make this nice and round. You do like this. Just like that. As I said, you need 6 pairs of this. Total of 12 balloons. So now you have your duplet. Just do like that. Then the third pair. Just twist them. Fourth pair. This is the fifth. And then the last pair, which is the sixth pair. Squeeze them together. There goes your cluster balloon. Or it looks like a cloud, right? All right, we'll put this on the side. We have our balloon stand. If you want to know where we get this, we'll put the link in the description down below. Just like that. This is total of 7 feet tall. I'm gonna use our 260 balloon, tie it right on the top. And you need your full French curtain. You can use any other color. For this particular block, we use silver. So once you get it opened, I will just wrap this, raise this up a little bit. You need a clear tape. Just tape it right here and then wrap it around. Use another clear tape. And that's it. It stays in place. Now you can raise this up like that. But before we raise that up, we need our balloon. Now we got our balloon. Open this up. And then put the stand right in the center. And then you just lasso your balloon 260. Just like that. It's simple and it's easy to make. And there you go. It's finally done. This is very simple and it's easy to make. And this would be perfect addition for your decoration. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Once again, if you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.